The number one reason why people don't invest in real estate, it's because they believe it takes money. On today's free training, I'm gonna prove to you guys that you can get started as a real estate investor without any money. So if not having money's been holding you back, today is the day where all of that's gonna change. So watch the training. All right, you guys, so like I said, the number one reason why people don't get started in investing in real estate is because they believe it takes money. So today I'm going to explain to you how you can get started making money in real estate without money. So it's actually not flipping houses. So flipping houses is when you buy a house, fix a house, and sell a house. To make money in real estate without money, it's something called wholesaling, which is a part of flipping houses. So everything you do to find a house to flip, you do the same things to find a house to wholesale. Here's the difference. When you're flipping a house, you hire a contractor, you fix it up, and you sell it. When you wholesale, all you need to do is get someone that wants to sell a house to sign the contract and add or assignee, which gives you the right to assign that contract to another investor for a fee so they can flip it. But you get paid for finding the deal so the contractor can flip the house. So I'm going to explain what wholesaling is. So if you're getting into this business and you don't have any money, you're gonna have to hustle. And that's what I had to do when I started 20-something years ago. So let's talk about wholesaling. Okay, so wholesaling. So one, how do we find these deals? So if you can't find properties, you have nothing to sell, you have nothing to flip, you have nothing to wholesale. So the most important thing as an investor is creating a repeatable system for always finding sellers who want to sell their house fast so you can find properties to buy or wholesale. So since we don't have money, we got to hustle. So the first thing we want to do is call realtors. Okay, as simple as this. You could go online wherever you live in this country. Me, for example, let's just say I'm in Orange County, California. I can go on Zillow, Realtor.com, Redfin, whatever it is, and put in a city, Anaheim, California. And hundreds of properties are going to come up. And if you're looking to find deals, you just find out who the real estate agent is. You pick up the phone, you call the real estate agent. I'm like, hey, my name is Tarek. Congratulations. I see your listing at 123 Main Street is on the market. And right now I'm reaching out to active agents because I was wondering, do you have any distressed properties that are coming on the market that you can sell me? That's it, okay? It's a massive action game. So you just call real estate agents and ask the question, do you have any distressed or off-market deals you can sell me? And remember, you guys, real estate agents, they make their money on commission. So do they want to work with you to sell you a house to make double the commission? Yes, they do. And here's how I became a success. When I would call realtors, I would have 50 conversations a day. Now, most people aren't going to do 50 a day because that is a ton of work. But you got to do 20. You got to do 25. But if you call and have conversations with 20 to 25 realtors 5 days a week over a few months, you're going to start generating leads, right? So now let's just say you do your outreach and the realtor sends you a deal, okay? Now you got a deal, okay? And now you're probably wondering, well, now what do I do? Because you don't have proof of funds, you don't know how to sign a contract. In my program at Homeschooled, we have a Partner with Tarek program. So if you're willing to make the calls to generate the leads and you actually find a deal, you bring it to us, right? So we're here. So if you need proof of funds, I'll give you proof of funds. Okay? So when they ask you, do you have the money to buy this house? I'm gonna give you the money to show them that we can buy this house. Number two is the contract. You don't know how to write a contract. Okay? In the Partner with Tarek program, if you want to partner with me, we're going to write the contract with you. And this is just to get started. And here's the beautiful thing. You don't have to partner with me forever. So on your first couple of deals, partner with me. Let me teach you. Let me give you the proof of funds. Let me write the contracts for you. But eventually cut me out. Why? So you can make more of that profit, because I'm here to teach you how to make money in real estate. So at the beginning, work with me. So how do we find deals? One, we call realtors. Okay, what's the second way to find deals? We call or text. We call or text homeowners, okay? So let me give you an example of that. In Orange County, California, I can pull a list of all the properties in notice of default. And notice of default means they're behind on their payment, they haven't been making their mortgage, they're probably in a tough situation, the bank's calling, threatening to foreclose. So the people that are in pre-foreclosure many times are interested in working with a cash buyer or a wholesaler to get the property off their hands. So let me simplify wholesaling. Let me just simplify house flipping and wholesaling. There's two ways to find deals. And remember this. Way number one, talk to people that sell houses. Way number two, talk to people that own houses. So what I'm saying is this. I know house flipping and wholesaling sounds confusing, but it's not. You have to do two things. Talk to people that sell houses, talk to people that own houses. And if every day you talk to people that sell houses and you talk to people that own houses, you're gonna generate leads. And how do I know that? Well, that's how I got to where I got. I have an entire company, Tarek Buys Houses, with a full sales team. We're doing close to 20 deals a month using these strategies, okay? So that's it. Wholesaling, call the real estate agents. Off-market deals, call the homeowners. Now, you can call pre-foreclosures. You can call rental property owners. You could call owners that own properties in your state but live in another state and they don't want to deal with the headaches. And I teach all of this in our homeschooled program. Okay, so if you're like serious about getting ahead, you should check out the program. And if you don't want to join my program, I don't care. That's totally fine. But if you're in a position right now where you're looking to change your life, this is what you got to do. And I know this looks simple, but if you, again, can call real estate agents and call homeowners and ask the question, do you have any distressed deals I can buy? Or, excuse me, Mr. or Mr. Seller, I'm looking to buy homes in your area. When do you plan on moving? Just ask the question. And guess what? You ask enough people that question, someone's going to say, well, we're actually talking about moving now. Again, how do I know that? I've been in this business for over 20 years. And here's the beautiful thing. You need proof of funds. You need to write contracts. You need to remove contingencies. You're going to partner with me to do that, okay? I'm going to do that with you. So all you need to do is generate the lead. Your life will change if you're willing to pick up the phone and call these people. Your life will change if you're willing to get in your car, drive around, and knock on the doors of these homeowners. Your life can change if you get in your car, drive around neighborhoods, and look for distressed houses known as driving for dollars, okay? If you do these things, you're going to generate leads. And once you generate those leads, you bring them to me. And let me help you get them across the finish line so you can start building some wealth for yourself. And eventually, you're not going to need me anymore. You're going to know how to do this on your own, and you're going to make twice the money. And also, you're starting with no money, right? Well, guess what? Once you start doing deals, you're going to have money. And then we go into flipping houses. And by the way, to find a house to flip, it's the exact same strategy. And that's why we have the Partner with Tarek program, because writing a contract can be confusing. Getting proof of funds can be difficult, right? Working with realtors can be tough. So with the Partner with Tarek program, you just got to generate the lead, find the motivated seller. We're going to help you write the contract. We're going to provide the proof of funds, and we're going to dispo the deal to a third-party flipper, and we're going to split the profit. And we're going to do that until you figure out how to do it on your own so you can get twice the money. And once that happens, we're going to turn you into a house flipper. So if you're willing to call these people, text these people, knock on doors, generate leads, and let us teach you how to write contracts and let us provide you proof of funds, you should join the Partner with Tarek program today, because if you're willing to put in the work, you're going to change your life.